Looking for a way to transfer photos from a Samsung Galaxy phone to a computer? This video offers simple, effective solutions to help you transfer your pictures hassle-free. Part 1. How to transfer photos from Samsung Galaxy to computer via Smart Switch. Step 1. Download and install the Smart Switch app on your computer from the Samsung website. Then open the app and connect your Samsung Galaxy phone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. When prompted, allow the connection on your phone. Now, select the Photos tab within Smart Switch. Step 3. Choose the photos you want to transfer and click Export. Then your photos will be saved to your computer. Part 2. How to transfer photos from Samsung to computer via Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. Install and launch the software on your computer. Then connect your Samsung to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi and enable the USB debugging mode on the Samsung device. Step 2. Once the device is recognized, click on the Photos tab in the left-hand menu. Browse and check the boxes for the specific images you want to move. Step 3. Finally, click the Export button at the top and choose a destination folder on your laptop. Part 3. How to transfer photos from Samsung phone to laptop via Google Drive. Step 1. Open the Google Drive app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Click plus Upload to select your desired photos and upload them to Google Drive. Step 3. On your laptop, open Google Drive in a browser. Then log into your Google account. Step 4. Select the photos you want to download and save them to your computer. Part 4. How to move pictures from Samsung Galaxy to Windows PC via Photos app. Step 1. Connect your phone to your PC via USB. Ensure the phone is set to transferring files mode in the USB settings. Notification. Step 2. Open the Photos app on your Windows PC. Then click Import from a connected device. Step 3. The app will scan your phone for photos. Select the ones you want and click Import X of X items. Part 5. How to send photos from Samsung Galaxy to computer via Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on both your Samsung phone and computer. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and pair with your computer. Step 2. Once paired, go to the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. Select the photos you want to transfer and tap Share. Step 3. Choose Bluetooth from the sharing options and select your computer. Then accept the transfer on your computer. Part 6. How to download pictures from Samsung to computer via Phone Link. Step 1. Download and install Phone Link from the Microsoft Store on your PC. Open the app and follow the instructions to link your Samsung Galaxy to your PC via Link to Windows. Step 2. On your Samsung phone, enable Link to Windows from the Quick Settings. Once connected, open the Photos section of the Phone Link app. Step 3. Select the photos you wish to download and save them to your computer. Part 7. How to export pictures from Samsung Galaxy to PC via Quick Share. Step 1. Enable Quick Share on your Samsung phone via Settings, Connections. Then make sure your PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your Samsung phone, select the photos you want to transfer and tap the Share icon. Step 3. Choose Quick Share and select your PC from the available devices. Next, accept the transfer on your computer.